Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. So firstly, your headphones should be connected with the phone. Open SOUNDPEATS audio application. If you add them to the application, it will open for you headphones menu, but if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones here. Then click at the three lines at the right top. Right here, at the second line, we have firmware upgrade. Firmware version is the same as software version, so tap at this line. Then click download and upgrade. And now don't use your headphones, don't play audio, just wait until this update finished. Okay, I'm going to speed up it for you and then I will show you successful update. Okay, let's check. Is it a restart already? So did we have connection? No, we haven't. Should it restart automatically? Maybe, but I guess not this time. So let's reconnect them. Oh, okay. Actually, it reconnect automatically. So did we finish it? Let's go back. Can we? Now I hear voice prompt that it's connect, so now it should finish this update. Yes, we have it. Let's check for the updates again. Firmware upgrade, and as you can see, we have the latest software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.